Hello, today in this short video we're going to briefly touch on IntegratedML demo template. So one of the templates ready made for this IRIS AI programming context. As a quick starting point, let's try it out. So what is IntegratedML? It has a nice introduction in this documentation about it. Please check out. And what environment does it bring up? You can see here, very simple, only two containers. One is a TensorFlow 2 Jupyter notebook container as a kind of the client with two sample notebook preloaded into it, which use JDBC or ODBC connection into a backend container IRIS Community Edition. So let's have a quick run of it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just git clone it or download a zip of this template into and move it into my AWS server. Or you can use this template to build your own repository or branch. And you can start from there. So I'm going to follow the installation steps. So I go straight here, Docker compose up, just one line of command to build this environment in my AWS Ubuntu server from scratch. So I go into my putty session. Let's check is any Docker running, and let's check we are on the right directory. Let's build it. That's it. It should take less than 1 minute. As soon as it's done, we're going to have two containers as described. One is a notebook container with some sample notebook in it. Another one is the IRIS community server with some sample data preloaded into it. We can check through the web terminal. Okay, so it's done. Half a minute. Let's check it. Check this notebook container here. Voila, you can see two notebooks, one JDBC, one PyODBC. For example, you open JDBC notebook samples, make it full screen, and just run through this pre-configured and preloaded data table. I believe you have a quick check and play with it. Change the source data, create some models, do some validation, and bring back the completion matrix through this very, very simple SQL context. Similar ideas with this ODBC notebook. Just run through this ODBC installation, since we deliberately not install this ODBC drivers in the notebook container yet. So you can just run through the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then train and predict, connecting to some sample tables, and play with it, create models, clean it up. That's pretty much it is. Okay, so we can also look into another container through web terminal. Let's go into the SQL mode to see what sample data has been loaded into it. You can follow the instructions here. At the very end, show you how can you import your own data from your own CSV file. So, for example, let's do this. See, that's the sample data loaded into it. That's pretty much it is. So we touched on, you see, some AWS cloud, we use Docker, we use IntegratedML, we use IRIS, we use JDBC, ODBC, we use Jupyter notebook. A lot of things we touched on in a very small template, and it can set up an environment in literally half a minute. Well, that's something not imaginable probably 10 years back. Yeah, I'll leave you everything here for you to play and start with. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.